10 identical rectangular cards are placed in a straight line at equal intervals at equal distance from one card to the next card. So they're saying that there's a width of each card, right? The width is 2 cm, and the distance between them, no idea. Then there's another 2 cm, okay, then so on and so forth until the 10th card, also another 2 cm. Now they're asking for how far apart is one rectangular card from the next one, which means that they're looking for this, which is one question mark. Let's figure out. There are 10 cards altogether. How many spaces are there in between? Okay, use your own fingers as a gauge. Now you have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers, how many spaces? It is always 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, always take the total minus 1 and you get the number of spaces. Using the same logic, now I have 10 cards. 10 cards, I take 10 minus 1, I will have 9 spaces. So I will have 9 spaces in between. Okay, so in between, I'm going to have 9 spaces. And of course, we cannot forget that each of the cards, they have a width of 2 cm. Okay, between the 10 cards, if each card is 2 cm, 10 cards, how many cm will that be? So I'm going to write here, width of 10 cards. That will be 10 times 2, giving us 20 cm. So this 90 cm, what is it made up of? This 90 cm is made up of 9 spaces and the width of 10 cards. Okay, just take 90 minus this 20, you'll be able to get the 9 spaces. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do it. I'm going to take 92 minus 20, that will give me 72. Correct? Now, since there are 9 spaces in between, and the 9 spaces is 72, so 9 spaces will be 72 cm. How do I find one space now? So one space, I will have to take 72. Okay, seems a bit blur. Wait, let me adjust it. Yeah, okay, this should be better. So one space will be 72 divided by 9. And that will give us 8 cm. So that will be what you're looking for. So option will be 2. So for this one, remember, if your parents watching this, teach them the finger method. Okay, use 5 fingers, and using 5 fingers, teach them how many spaces there are in between. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remind them sometimes the question are not just asking about the spaces in between, they also have the width of each item. Okay, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm. Alright. So this is the working for this question. Done.